Hello everyone, this is Emre from Coin Engineer. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 websites for daily traders. So before starting, don't forget to subscribe for crucial things about cryptocurrencies and hit the like button. So let's get started. It's called tweetdeck.twitter.com. So when you open it first, you will see 4 different sections, but just delete them and start from the basics. So let's press this plus icon and press the home. So add column, and I can see my home page here. As you can see, this is my home page. So after this, I want to add something, and let's say I want to see the Elon Musk tweets all the time, and I type Elon Musk here, and then I pressed Elon Musk and add column. Yeah, this is the best thing about this website. I can see my homepage and the Elon Musk at the same time. This is really great thing. When you use just the normal Twitter, you can go to the Elon Musk profile and you can come back to your homepage. You can go to your notifications. You can go to your messages. But in this website, you can control them at the same time. So let's say I want to see my lists as well, and I press this, and this is my list about the cryptocurrencies. So I see 3 of them at the same time, and there are some other sections. Let's talk about them. From this you can see your homepage. From this you can see a specific person's tweets, and from this you can see your notifications. And for this one, you can search something from the Twitter. In the Twitter, in this section, you can see your list, and in this you can see the trendings, and in this you can see your likes, message, followers, schedule something. This is about the tweets. You can schedule some tweets, like you type some tweet and you want to share it at, like, let's say 4 p.m. today, and when you schedule it, you can share it from here. At the 4 p.m. it will be shared automatically. So let's skip this website and let's skip into the other one. This is our second website, and it's called cryptopanic.com. So from here you can see the news about the cryptocurrencies or cryptocurrency exchange platform. So what does these signs means? So these green signs, green arrows, means that this news has a positive impact on the price, but the red arrows means that this news has a negative impact on the price. And this caution sign says you need to be careful about this news. There might be some incorrect news or something else. Just be careful. So as they more like it has 19 red arrows, it means that it has really negative impact. But as you can see, it has just 2 red arrows, and it says, yeah, it has just a little bit negative impact. But yeah, as they more, it means they are really true. So yeah, you can see the news about the cryptocurrency exchange platform, and the other things about the cryptocurrencies as well. Don't forget to use it. So let's skip into the other one. Our third website is called lunarcrash.com. So from here you can see the most popular cryptocurrencies and the other things as well. So let's see top coins by social mentions. So from here I can understand that in the social media the Bitcoin is the most mentioned one, and the Ethereum is the second, Solana is the third, Dogecoin is the fourth, as this goes like this. So you can see the other things from here, and in the down of the website you can see the top crypto influencers and top crypto social posts. So from here I can see the most effective crypto influencers. Like the first one is Cointelegraph, and the second one is Crypto Differ, BSG News, Bitcoin Magazine, Crypto Rover, Shipburn. Yeah, we can see these ones, and it's just about this week. We can change it for the one day, and I can see that, yeah, they are basically the same. It doesn't change too much. So yeah, this is we can use it for seeing the which cryptocurrencies are the most mentioned ones. We can see it for this purpose. So let's jump into other website. Our fourth website is coinmarketcap.com. I think you all knew that. You all know that. But yeah, this is really important website when it comes to trading daily or Just when it comes to cryptocurrencies, this is really great website. So what can we do from here? We can see the coins from here, like we can see the 24-hour price change of the Ethereum or 7 days price change of the Ethereum. We can see the market cap, we can see the volume, and we can see the circulating supply here. So let's press the BNB and see what they gives us. So we can see the circulating supply from here and the maximum supply from here. In this info buttons, you can see what does they mean. So let's skip them. And from here, we can see their official Twitter websites and Reddit websites, and we can see their official website. We can see their source codes. We can see their websites. Like, it's not their website, it's the explorers. Explorers means the websites that you can see the wallets from here. So when we go below, we will see the exchange, which is selling this crypto. Yeah, we can see Binance, BitHub, FTX, Binance, Kucoin. This crypto exchange platforms sells BNB because we are looking at the BNB. So let's change the coin from here. Like, let's say for Cardano, we can see the Cardano markets. This crypto exchange platform says Cardano as well. So in this section, you can see what is Cardano. There's a brief about what is Cardano and who are the founders of the Cardano. And you can see their white paper from here. You can see their community. These are the official websites, these ones, and this cardano.org.com. We can use this website for these purposes. This is our last website, and it's called cmc.io. So what we can do from here? So it's your homepage. When you type cmc.io, you will see this first. It says token stats grouped by blockchain platform. So let's skip this because this section is the best thing about this website. So because each coin is produced for different purposes, we can see why they're produced from here. Like when we press the exchange tokens, we can see the exchange tokens from here. When we press privacy tokens, we can see them like XMR, ZAG, XAG, BCN, XZT. We can see them from here. So how we can use this website? So let's say we want to buy some coins, and we want to buy each coins from different industries. So we can come this website and we can press this exchange coins, we can press entertainment tokens, we can press privacy tokens, and let's say I want to buy BNB from exchange coins, and I want to buy Theta from entertainment coins, and I want to buy Word from privacy coins, and we can make a basket from here. We can create an great portfolio from this website, and you can see the 1 hour price change from this industry. You can see 24-hour price change for this industry. You can see 7 days, and you can see the market cap, volume and market cap. Yeah, this is a great website, and you can use it for creating some nice portfolios and finding some coins just about specific purpose. So these were the websites that I wanted to talk about. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I hope I'll see you in the other videos.